Hi, welcome to the Slack agent by GenAI Protos. So the problem this application aims to solve is that teams often face communication overload in Slack. Important messages may get missed and follow-ups may slip through the cracks. Our solution is an intelligent Slack agent that integrates seamlessly into your workspace to automate responses, extract insights, and assist the user in answering any questions. So some of the highlights of this solution include the ability to respond to any messages in any channels. You can even reply to messages in channels. You can also do a web search to search about the question before you send a response. So the application flow is as follows. First, we acquire all the permissions from the user so that we can interact with the Slack space. When we have extracted all the information from Slack, we process the data, we vectorize the data so that it can be searched through later. And then after all of this initial processing, the user can go to the chat interface and start interacting with their Slack space through our agent. So let's get started with the demo. Okay, so this is the configuration page. You can get started by placing your OpenAI key, save configuration, and connect. That will bring you to the permissions page. These are all the permissions we require for us to interact with your Slack space. This includes all the channels, DMs, and the canvases. This will bring you to the chat interface, and it is a completely conversational agent. Also, it has access to all of our channels. So through all of these channels, let's ask if anybody has mentioned us or the user. So it's using the search in Slack tool to find if there are any mentions of the user. So it does say that we have a reminder to join the meet at 11 a.m. IST. We can go ahead and verify that in the channel. Okay, so there is a reminder to join the meet at 11 a.m. IST. We can also choose to reply to this message. Okay, so the message has been replied to on the user's behalf, and here's the reply. We can also search for these specific media types. Also, for example, we have an audio, we have images that were sent by this user and then forwarded by the next user. Okay, so yes, there is an audio in the AI bot channel, and the response also includes the transcription of the audio message, along with the download link for the same. And now let's try searching for some images. Okay, so I had sent an image by the name of instatest.jpg, and on the same day, this other user had forwarded the same image. And as I said before, we did have a file sent by one user and then forwarded by another user. Okay, so now this is a brand new channel that has been created. And now let's say we want to say hi to everyone that is a part of this channel. Okay, so it has successfully sent the message on behalf of the user. So it does also have the ability to do a web search. So let's just ask it to come up with some information about the latest trends in AI. Okay, so it's asking us for permission to perform a web search. So let's just ask it to go ahead. Okay, so this is the information that it was able to come up with using web search. And now let's have the agent comment this in a channel of our choosing. So it has commented the response in the social channel, and here it is in the social channel.